Hello, Springfield, Missouri. My name is Aaron Telle, President and CEO of Telle Tire and Auto Centers, and we couldn't be more excited to be in Springfield, Missouri. Come on in, I'd like to show you a little bit about what we've done here. Telle Tire acquired JBC Auto Care in Springfield a few months ago, and over the last 90 days we've put in a lot of work to turn it into a Telle Tire, and we couldn't be more excited and proud. We look forward to meeting you. Telle Tire is a family-owned business. I am a fourth-generation owner. My great-grandfather started the company back in 1942. This year we celebrate our 79th anniversary. We are a full automotive repair facility, doing everything from oil changes and brake repair to complicated engine diagnostic and repair. And of course, tires is in our name. We know tires. We carry all of the major brands at the lowest price that is guaranteed. As a family business, we are dedicated to providing the highest level of customer service to our customers and our guests, along with taking care of our associates and understand they are the reason why we are successful. So over the upcoming months, we look forward to having a grand opening. We'll have some great tire promotions. We're going to have some great giveaways coming up soon, where we'll be giving away some free sets of tires and other great things. So thank you so much. And we have two locations in Kearney and Republic. You can visit us at telletire.com. Thank you.